I'm not just an avocado. I can talk, cry, and laugh.
Please don't squeeze me.
Victoria, stop wasting time. Show your audience how I was created.
Hello, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to create videos like this. Yes, I'm going to show you how to create hyper-realistic AMSR. Yes, I'm going to take you through using 100% AI tools. With this kind of videos, this particular creator have been able to monetize his page by just creating this kind of videos. This is actually what people, small creators, are jumping into, and it really makes sense. In case you may ask, can you monetize videos like this? Yes, you can monetize videos like this on YouTube. Yes, and I'm going to take you through this process on how to create them. You can see this creator on Instagram has gotten 260,000 followers by just creating videos like this. You can see this, okay? And then he also have his backup page. His backup page has gotten up to 263k followers on Instagram, and you can see the kind of videos that he's creating. So I'm going to take you through the process of how to create this hyper realistic AI AMSR for free. Okay, so without further ado, or without wasting time, let's just go into the practical section of this video. So let's get right in. So what you have to do is for you to come over to your chat GPT. Then once you get to your chat GPT, just kindly click on this plus sign, and then once you click on this plus sign, go ahead to click on add photos. Then click on add photo. Okay, by now you should maybe screenshot a particular image, any hyper realistic MSMR, any hyper realistic AI image you want to use. Just go ahead to screenshot. You can even make use of my own. Yes, you can screenshot this particular one that I'm using. So this is the one that I'm going to be making use of. This is the particular image I'm going to be making use of. So what I have to do is for me to say that using the image provided, give me a prompt to generate the image exactly. Using the image provided, give me a prompt to recreate this image exactly. Okay, that is what I want ChatGPT to give me. So I'm going to click here to send. So you just wait for ChatGPT. Just have to wait for ChatGPT to come up with the prompt. Okay, so ChatGPT is generating the prompt. A hyper-realistic, ultra-detailed macro shot of tiny baby creator made entirely from kiwi fruits. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to copy the prompt right from this point. Okay. So I've copied the prompt. The next step that we need to take is for us to head over to Whisk AI. So I'm going to search for Whisk. I'm going to search for Whisk. So search for it, and then you wait for it to load up. Okay, so please, while waiting, please just kindly give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to remove from desktop sites. So this is the one that you're going to go for, the one that carries labs.google. This first one is what you are going to click on. So have clicked on that, then you wait for it to load up. If you've not opened Whisk AI before now, it is very easy. Just kindly log in or sign in using your Google account or your email address. It is very easy to navigate through it. Okay, so once you open up your Whisk AI, you can see the website address labs.google/fx. That is the one that you're going to go for. So once you do that, you have to kindly click on sign in with Google. Okay, so I'm clicking on sign in with Google. So you kindly click on enroll to, yes, click on enroll to. So that is how it is, and then this is how the interface is going to look like once you sign into your Whisk AI. So come over to where you see describe your image. Okay, sorry, describe your idea. Okay, so I'm going to come down here where I have described your idea to paste in the prompt that we copied from ChatGPT, remember. So I'm going to paste in the prompt, then I'm going to click here. You see this arrow facing sideways, then I'm going to click there to send. Wait for with AI to generate the image. You can see how crazy this is. This is extremely amazing, exactly what is in that prompt. So you come over, click on the image. Once you click on the image to highlight, and then you see this download icon right here, then you go ahead to download. You can see it's downloaded. So you can decide to maybe copy download the two images, because one thing about Whisk AI, they get to give you two images for you to make a choice out of them. So it's very amazing. So for instance, if you want to make any changes to your maybe your prompt or your to regenerate another image, just go back to your ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT. So this is my ChatGPT. I'm going to say just give me a, let me just use any particular phrase. Let me say give me apple prompt. Okay, give me an apple prompt. So what you can just whatever you want, whatever image you want to create, just go ahead to tell prompt ChatGPT to give you prompts for that. So that is how crazy it is. So you can see ChatGPT is giving me prompt for me to create hyper realistic MSMR image, yes, AI image for Apple. So I'm going to start from here. I'm going to start from this a hyper realistic ultra detail down to this point. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go back to my Whisk AI. Okay, so I'm back to Whisk AI. I'm going to just go ahead to prompt again, type in the prompt. So I'm going to select all, then I'm going to paste. Okay, the next prompt I'm going to, for instance, if you need any aspect ratio, maybe you want to promote your image on Instagram reel, Facebook reel, TikTok, you know, you are going to make use of portraits, not landscape. So you just kindly click here, then to select any aspect ratio, click here to select any aspect ratio. You can see this is square, this is portrait for YouTube shorts, Facebook reel, Instagram reel, TikTok, and then you can see that. So I'm going to use 16.9, which is landscape, since I'm going to be posting this on YouTube alone. So I'm going to do that, then I'm going to click and send. Let's wait to see if actually which AI is going to give us exactly what we want. Okay, let's wait to see the results. This is crazy. This is extreme. This is crazy. Like 10 over 10 across board. This is crazy. So remember, you click on the image to highlight, then kindly click here to download it. It is as simple as that. You can see file downloaded. So let's move on to the next step of making these images to actually move, put motion on them, and then make them to perhaps maybe talk or eat. So let's move on to the next step. So the next step, I'm going to come over to ChatGPT. Remember where you created the first prompt of creating, like where you generated the first prompt of getting to create the images. So you come over to that particular point and then say the prompt you gave me for the apple. I want a video prompt for it. In it, it should be eating a piece of apple, okay? And the sound of him eating should be audible. So you want the image to actually eat the apple, and it should be audible enough for people to know that it is actually eating. Okay, and then it should include eating MSMR, ASMR, and ASMR sound. So I'm going to send. So let's wait for ChatGPT to give us prompts for us to actually make the video, like a video of it. This is the prompt that ChatGPT is coming up with. So I'm going to copy from here down to this point. So once you copy your prompt, let's head over to the next step, which is us turning these images to motion, to maybe, yes, yes, to motion videos. So you come over to your Grok AI. So once you get to your Grok AI, in case you don't have Grok, just head over to your Play Store or Apple Store, search for Grok, Grok, Grok. Then go ahead to install it to your phone. It is very, very easy to sign up. Like, it is very easy to navigate through it. Once you sign up using your Google account or your email account, just kindly come over to where you have this imaging. This is how the interface is going to look like once you open. So come over to where you have imaging, click on it. So once you click on imaging, what you have to do is for you to bring in the image prompts. Remember, sorry, the image that we downloaded using Whisk AI. So I'm going to bring in the image, the apple, like. So I'm going to come over to where I have type to customize. One thing about Grok AI, if you don't switch this off, like the setting off, it will auto generate a video. It will auto turn your image to a video, yes, automatically. So I'm going to come over to type to customize and then paste the prompt, and then I'm going to send. Let's wait to see the results. So while we are waiting, please, if you haven't given this video a like, please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Subscribe and also share, and do also drop your comments in the comment section. It is very, very mandatory. Drop your comments in the comment section. Okay, let's wait for the result. You wait for it to count from 1 to 100%. See how crazy this is? You see how crazy this is? So that is how you can make hyper realistic AI ASMR. Yes, that is how you can create, and trust me, you can monetize these videos. You can monetize this video 100% monetizable. So you come over here where you see this drop down arrow, yes, then you download your video. That is how you can create hyper realistic AI ASMR. Yes, that is how you can create. So you can just go ahead to do it that way. You go ahead, maybe you go over to your chat GPT and say, give me prompt for me to create a video for this particular one. Just that is how to navigate through it. And I really hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Do also drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know if there is any particular video you want me to come up with next. Let me know in the comment section. And if there is any question at all, do also drop in the comment section. I'm going to be replying you all. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Let's watch this. Bye.